Hey, my name is Timothy Cortez. I'm a family man, writer, coach, and entrepreneur. This is a tutorial on how to run through my Notion Vision Plan you may have already downloaded. If not, you can find it through my online store or newsletter for free. Don't worry about dropping a penny. Step 1. When you find this plan, I want you to duplicate it using the link in the top corner right over here. Right now for me it says share, but for you it should say duplicate. Duplicate it again too, because you want an extra copy to store somewhere in case you mess up on your vision plan. Now, you already seen the cover page, which contains links to my business, website, newsletter, and main social media in case you want to look into further products on my journey. You also see a shameless affiliate plug right here for my link. Purchasing through this supports me. Without further ado, let's not waste any more time. Let's dive into the vision plan. You'll click this link here to get started. Now you'll see right here, toggle to begin. Clicking this will open the video, which is currently not uploaded, but this is the video you're currently looking at right now. Now the vision plan itself is easy. You just go through all these steps, creating your vision plan, setting your SMART goals, creating your action plan, and all that. You'll simply click on a link. You'll see these red things, which define sections, self-reflection, define your vision. It'll ask you a question. What are your core values and passions? Now some people might have a hard time thinking about that, so I put little links here like toggle core values examples. It tells you what values are, and then some examples of values. And basically every question provides something like that, like what are your passions? Moving down the list, same thing for what truly matters to your life. It'll give you examples from all kinds of categories, just to give you things to think about while you create your vision plan. And that's really as much as there is to it. If you want to find my main website, you can find me at www.financialfamilyvalues.com. This has been Timothy Cortez, signing out.